Hello. Today we're going to take a look at the strip and assemble for the Sig Sauer 1911 in 22 long rifle. This pistol is made by German Sport Guns and is a great target pistol, practice pistol, and pistol for introducing people to firearms. This is one of the few that you actually need a tool to take apart. Now, when you buy it, you'll get a kit with extra parts. 3 Allen keys. 2 of the Allen keys are used for sight adjustment for the sights on the pistol. The third one is for taking it apart. So, first thing we're going to do is check to make sure it is unloaded. Chamber is clear. Now, there's a couple things that we have to do. This is put together a little bit differently. First things is we're going to use the Allen key to take this restraining pin out. And this is the key that comes with it. So that goes in there. And then we are going to take this pin out. And we will put it aside. Like so. The next thing we are going to do is remove the slide locking lever. Now in the slide there is the main catch point for the slide locking lever, but behind that there's a little half moon cutout. That half moon cutout is where we take out the slide locking lever. So we're going to use our hand, push back until it gets to that point, and then we're going to push forward. A little bit of movement may be required to get it over the lip, and that will allow us a little bit of work to get out the slide locking lever. Now there's a third thing we have to take out, which is this pin, and using the Allen key we can just push through on the pin, take the pin out, and there we go. That will allow us to remove the slide from the lower receiver. Now the next thing will be the spring guide and the return spring. Lift it up, a little bit of maneuvering around the end of the barrel, and that will come out. Now this has many pieces. It has a removable spring, it has a small ring, and a larger ring or washer on top of the guide rod. Now these parts can all be replaced by better pieces, high performance stuff if you want aftermarket, but you can take it apart. If you do take it apart, remember all the pieces have to go on it when you put it back together. Now the barrel comes out the front, and in order to do that we will push back on the cup that the return spring goes into. We will rotate the front piece like so, and that will allow us to remove that cup. We will then rotate the front piece the other way, and that will allow that front piece to actually come off. And then we can pull the barrel straight forward and out of the slide. One thing you want to make sure, this is your ejector, ejector extractor. So you want to make sure you don't bang that or damage it, because if you do, the gun will not extract anymore. And that is how you take apart the Sig Sauer 1911 in 22 long rifle. Okay, once you're done cleaning, we're going to put her back together. So the same process, but in reverse. Pick up the barrel, slide it in to the front, like so. And you're going to adjust it, make sure it goes all the way back and seats in all the way at the rear. Take your front cap piece, and you're going to put it in with it over onto the left side like that. And then once it's flush, rotate it all the way around, and that will allow us to put in the cap here. Cap is flat on one side, that goes towards the barrel, and it sits like that. Slide the cap piece back up so it's aligned that way, and then when you turn it over, it will just fall into place like so. And we put the spring in. The spring goes into the cap inside, and then guide rod, and then with a little bit of compression and adjustment we can get it in. It doesn't click into place and there's no guides. You just have to make sure it's nicely lined up and everything is even and properly lined. And if you look at the front, you'll see the barrel and the cap is all nicely lined with the front piece. And again, like all pistols, we use the guides on the slide and into the runners here on the receiver and slide them into place like so. Now, first thing we're going to do is put in the pin. This is the one we pushed out with the Allen key. We will just put it in and push it right through, and that locks in the barrel. We'll then come in here with the slide locking lever, place it in, and we're going to have to once again move the barrel back and work it around the little pin here, get it in place through the half moon. You can hear it click in. Should be flush. Slide should move up and down with no issues. We're then going to take the Allen key, or the Allen screw, and that's going to get screwed in there. Now this is lightweight materials because it is a 22 and it is a very light handgun, so you do not want to over tighten it. We'll just snug it like so, and it is now in and ready to go. So we'll do the final check afterwards. There's the magazine, put the magazine in. This gun has 3 safeties. It has a grip safety on the back here, it's got a magazine safety, and it's got the manual safety here for up and down. So safety off here, magazine in, but no pressure on the grip safety, it will not go. Put pressure on the grip safety, it will fire. Recock it. If we put the back safety on, pull the trigger, nothing happens, even with the grip safety pushed. Take the safety off, pull the trigger, it fires. And if we pull it all the way back into the full cock position, even with the other 2 in, she will not fire. So 3 safeties in order to get this one to work properly. And they all work. That means the pistol is working just fine. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.